Greetings, YouTubians! Waddle from Waddle here to show you a special video of our Halloween coverage this year. That, by the way, is not static, that is snow. And that is not white noise you're hearing, that's cries from children who were unable to trick-or-treat this year. And one 32-year-old who was unable to trick-or-treat this year. Now, I take you back to May when I started covering some upcoming apocalypses. Then when I did the special on the earthquake and the hurricane, I said this line. What next, blackouts? And sure enough, what did we end up getting? Yeah, I ended up getting blamed for that, by the way. So, for our little snowy apocalypse, we're going to cover it a little bit more optimistically.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. Da 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 da. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere. Oh yeah.
Well, there you go. Thank you again, folks, and remember, it could have been a lot worse. I mean, what's next? The eruption of a volcano?